Let me show you how we can very quickly add page numbers into existing PDF. Just head to ilovepdf.com. You don't need to create account or login at all. Head to ilovepdf.com and click edit PDF, and there will be a tool for page numbers. Click on that. Now you can select your PDF. After you select your PDF from your computer or drag and drop the file here, you will see a preview and you can make decision where do you want to insert this page number. By default, it's a bottom right corner, but we can change that. And very helpful, we got those previews of the actual pages from your PDF. I will make it exactly in the middle at the bottom. First number is 1. I'm starting from number 1. All right, and I'm starting from page number 1. You can skip page number 1 if you change this to 2. The first page, there will be no number on that. Sometimes required. So let's keep it this way. You can add additional text here if you like and change the text format of this page number. Okay, I like that. Let's click add page numbers. And here it is. It was super quick. I just clicked this big button to re-download my own document with page numbers. And here it is. As you can see, I don't have a number on the first page as I order. There's a page number on the second page, third, fourth. All right, all correct. So as you may notice, I didn't have any pop-up or advertisements or anything silly like that. It's a pretty solid tool. All right, I hope this was helpful. I will see you in the next one.